in the building.
The show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they will see the sun? Just remember when you come up, the show goes on.
Good morning, Mighty Bulldogs. This is Ms. Malukas with your morning announcements on this terrific Tuesday, September the 1st. Today is a B-Day. And this is Lupe Fiasco. This is from his 2011 album, Lasers. Great musician, good stuff, check it out. Please join me in standing for the pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence. Let's talk about birthdays. Happy birthday to, actually, there are no student or staff birthdays to announce today, at least that we have on record. If this is incorrect and it is actually your birthday, please let me know. Send me a Teams message and I'll be happy to correct it tomorrow. Although there are no Montopolis birthdays to celebrate today, the world is a pretty big place. So here are two individuals who do have a birthday today, September 1st. Zendaya Coleman is 26 years old today. Great actress. You may know her from the Disney Channel. She's also been in various TV shows and movies throughout her youth. The second is Romeo Beckham. He's the kid to the left of David Beckham. He's turning 18 today, and although he hasn't done much to earn a shout out in these announcements, he is the son of David Beckham. David Beckham, of course, is a fantastic soccer player who got his start at the best football club there is, Manchester United. These are the morning announcements, which are pretty official. I'm probably right on this one, guys. Shifting gears, let's talk about this day in history. September 1st, in 1956, we remember the Clinton desegregation crisis. The African-American community of Clinton, Tennessee, had fought since 1947 for the right to a high school education. Following Brown versus Board of Education, a federal judge ordered Clinton High School to desegregate with all deliberate speed in the fall of 1956. The Clinton 12, the first black students to attend Clinton High School, registered and attended school for one day without incident in August of 1956. This is a picture of the Clinton 12. However, on September 1st, the White Citizens Council and the Klan launched full-scale rioting in Clinton. Cars were overturned, windows smashed, and black citizens were threatened. On December 4th, 1956, a white minister organized to support the Clinton 12. After escorting the students to school, he was severely beaten by a white mob. The principal closed the school until December 10th, when a federal judge reaffirmed his court injunction, forbidding anyone from interfering with the integration process. The students attended the Highlander Center in December 1956, where they got to meet Rosa Parks, and that's pictured furthest to the left. There's another image of the integrated class at Clinton. And then the picture on the right is a children's book written by this lady, Joanne. She's one of the Clinton 12, and she wrote a book to document her experience and share it with others. It is important to remember and to celebrate the achievements made in the past, like this one, without which we would not have the privilege to attend school together today. It's equally important, however, to remember that the work is far from done and equality is far from being achieved. All right, guys, this one is new. Make note of this. This was not in yesterday's announcements, and Mr. Rubio has not talked about this one yet. We are having a Strong Start town hall, virtually, of course, tomorrow, Wednesday, 6:30 p.m. at the link shared on the screen. Feel free to pause, write it down, send yourself a text message, share with your family. Please make sure that you tune in tomorrow, Wednesday at 6:30 to get more information about what school will look like when we are allowed to return. Speaking of return, here are the same updates shared yesterday and late last week. Please pause to review the dates each grade level will return. Reminder that we are preparing the building. It looks very different this year at Current than it did last year. Again, Mr. Rubio will talk more about this in the town hall, but please know that we are preparing the building. It does look different, and we're doing everything we can to ensure that it's safe and ready for you all. Fill out the survey. Please, please, please ensure that you're filling out the survey. Every student in your household must fill out the survey. If you need the link, feel free to pause. Your homeroom teachers also have the link and should be able to share. Meals update, no change. We're here, get food at the times listed. Schedules, again, no change. Today is September 1st. It is a B day. So make note of that when you're planning your electives or attending your electives today. Schedule, more schedule. Here's the schedule again. Lots of schedules. Textbooks, they're still being distributed. Talk to your teachers. Come by the school. We're here from 7:30 to 11:30. We'll distribute the books that we have. No change there. No change with tech support office hours. Make sure that you're making an appointment with Ms. Paz at the number listed. If you just show up, it's hard for us to support you and to be ready to give you what you need. Questions? Please text us at this number during normal school hours so we can answer them. Also, follow us on Facebook if you've not already done so. Updates are shared there regularly. Last but not least, Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And if no one else tells you today, remember that we love you, believe in you, and always will. Have a phenomenal day, guys. We love you, we miss you, we care about you.